Yeah, hi. In this video, we are going to automate generating images using the OpenAI and integrate it with Python. So I'm going to search for OpenAI login in the Google text bar, and here in the OpenAI API, just click on it, and you will be able to log in. I've already logged in. You can either use your Apple account or your Gmail account to log in. And once you have logged in, you need to increase your usage. And once your usage is increased, you can then create an API key. And this is your secret key. It's hidden over here. You need to use this key in the code to be able to generate the images. So let's start with the generate API. Created one project which is named as generate images using the OpenAPI. I have three files in it, which is the generate image OpenAI.py, which is a Python file, and API underscore key dot text. Here, I'm going to store my API key value, just given in the format over here. And here, I'm going to store the requirements dot text file. So let's start off with the code. Uh, First of all, we need to import certain libraries. So we're going to import, first of all, the OpenAI, and then import PIL from images, image. So now we are going to read the API value from the text file which we have provided. File is equal to the file, and here you can give the name of the file, which is API underscore key, and comma read only, open AI object, and using the create a variable named as open API underscore key, and read the file, read the data of the file. The file will only have the API key. And close the file. Then here you can create function to generate the images using text data, define, generate, and we'll pass an argument or parameter as text, semicolon, and after this source is equal to OpenAI dot image dot create, and here we need to give as the prompt first of all, which is the text, comma number of images equal to 1, and the size of the image is equal to 512 into 512. So once this is done, we'll come to the main part of the program is to call the generate function and call it. We'll have to use the generate text and before this we need to give the text also. Not our text can be anything. I'm giving white and eating bamboo in PNG format. Generate text will going to we are going to store it in a URL. Once this generate text is saved, we are going to but this URL we need to return a value over here, then only it will be saved because the function needs to return a value to be able to store it to a variable. So return is going to generate the image and it will return an argument. So it's going to be the source uh, data 0 value and here the URL. Here we can give a note that we are calling the generate function. As soon as I write this function, you can see there's one usage. It's pointing out to over here. It's getting called correctly. That's perfect. Now we are going to use the request library to get image in bytes. Response is equal to request dot get URL. We need to import the request over here, import the packages requests, and once the response is generated, we'll we'll use image library from in to, gen, to open the images and we'll store it in a variable object. Image dot open. Don't worry about the red lines once the import image, install the package image. Once the libraries are imported, all the underscore red lines will go away. Bytes IO response dot text right. And once now we need to show the image. We also need to import this bytes IO, which is the IO bytes IO. Yeah, response.content. Perfect. Install the package. Image AI, OpenAI. So we are using, so this thing, once the image is generated, the URL response will be, we are using the request library to convert this URL response into, this will be a JSON response. And the JSON response, we are further converting into bytes.io because image.openai only accepts the byte.io. That will be from PIL import images. So just we are going to reformat the file. Everything is working fine. I'm going to pause the video because I'm going to add my API key over here. So here you can see there's an option of add imported packages to requirements. Just press OK. You see all the packages are added over here. And OpenAI, you can use a version of 0.28, which is the older version. Perfect. Now, so I'm getting an issue over here which says OpenAI is not satisfied. Just install the requirement. Package is installed. Let's quickly execute our code. It's getting executed. So we got an error which says no such file because API key dot text we have defined. So it says incorrect API key provided. Let me fix that. Okay, so I had made a typo on the API key. I have corrected that, executing it again, saying that 512 is not a requirement, is not one of the correct sizes. So I need to change it to 512 and 512. Let's execute it now. Getting executed. So PIL.image has no, should be small open. Yeah, correct. And there you have, we have generated image successfully. We gave the text as the white panda eating a bamboo in the PNG format, and we got a white panda generated in the PNG format. So using the OpenAI and the Python, we were successfully able to create this. Thanks guys for watching.